Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the rabbit fish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me open up my fish observation. And this is how the rabbit fish looks like. I'm going to show you the details information about this fish. Okay, basically guys, you can catch this rabbit fish from the ocean, any sea, in Heartopia, and I've just catched this rabbit fish from the East Sea. So I would like to recommend you to go to the East Sea to catch this rabbit fish. And for the weather, you can catch it in any weather condition, guys. And now I'm right here near the East Sea. Okay, this is the East Sea. To go to the East Sea, you can go to Forest and go to East Sea. Or actually, you can catch it in any sea in Heartopia. I think Old Sea will work. And then the Whale Sea and Zephyr Sea and so on. But for the first time I catched this rabbit fish, I catched it from the East Sea. Okay guys, and that's all about the rabbit fish in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.